Impulse travel T-tubule and sarcoplasma reticulum. And calcium released. Calcium bind with the troponin. Tropomyosin shift binding site are available. ATP already hydrolyzed, so myosin head is energized. S1 unit bind to actin and power stroke occur. The binding of ATP to the cross bridge, which results in the cross bridge disconnecting from actin, and the hydrolysis of ATP, which lead to the re-energizing and repositioning of the cross bridge. Impulse stop, so calcium ion to move back to sarcoplasmic reticulum, and tropomyosin returns over binding site. Calcium pump. The active transport of calcium involves specialized ion pumps in the membrane of the sarcoplasma reticulum. This pump must be energized by ATP. So this is calcium pump. These are calcium and ATP to come and be hydrolyzed here. So become inorganic phosphate ADP and energy go to this pump. So pump is activated and pump in calcium to the sarcoplasma reticulum.